Our next topic is multiplication of rational numbers. Now, before this topic, I want to explain you something. We are calculating LCM only in addition and subtraction. There is no need of finding LCM in multiplication and division. That means LCM is required only in addition and subtraction, not in multiplication and division. Just keep in mind. Okay. Now multiplication is as easy because already you have studied about multiplication. So next is, what is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Now what is reciprocal? For example, if you are having 3 by 4, so the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. This is called reciprocal. Ulta. Okay. 3 upon minus 8. So first we have to convert this in a standard form. So minus 3 by 8. Now reciprocal of minus 3 by 8. Minus 8 by 3. Okay. So this is called multiplicative inverse reciprocal. Now starting exercise 2D. Exercise 2D. Question number 1. 5 by 4 into 3 by 7. So now 5 by 4, 3 by 7. The first thing you should know about reduction. You can reduce. Okay. तो रिडक्शन कैसे होगा? न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर में होगा. सेम रिडक्शन नहीं होता. जैसे 5 1 जा 5 1 ऐसे नहीं होता. ओके. So here as you can see, 5 by 4, 3 by 7. 5 and 7 not having a relation. Same 3 and 4. So directly 5 into 3 you have to write upon 4 into 7. 5 3 ja 15, 4 7 ja 28. This is your required answer. One more question. 2 by 3 into minus 6 by 7. So now in this question, you know very well 3 and 6 both are having a relation. 6 is a multiple of 3. So 3 1 ja and 3 2 ja 6, but negative sign is there, so write minus 2. Now 2 into minus 2 upon 1 into 7. So 2 into minus 2, 2 2 ja 4 along with negative sign, 1 7 ja 7. So this is your required answer. Okay. Then one more question. Third question. Minus 12 by 5 into 10 by minus 3. So first of all, shift this negative sign to numerator. So minus 12 by 5 into minus 10 by 3. Now you know very well that 5 and 10. 5 and 10. 10 is a multiple of 5. 12 is a multiple of 3. So 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10, but negative sign is here, so minus 2. 3 1 ja 3. 3 4 ja 12. Negative sign is here, so minus 4. Now minus 4 into minus 2 upon 1 into 1. So minus into minus plus, and 4 2 ja 8. So 8 upon 1 1 ja 1. So only 8 you can write. This is your answer. Okay. Then question number 1 you can solve. I am solving question number 2. Question number 2. 1 by 8 and 10 2 by 3. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So So 1 into 8, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So this will be 9 by 8. Multiply, that means into. 10 into 3, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 32 by 3. Now 9 and 3 you can reduce, 8 and 32 you can reduce. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. So 3 into 4, 3 4 ja 12 upon 1 into 1, 1. So you have to write 3 into 4 upon 1 into 1. So 12 by 1, 12 only you can write. Okay. So in this way you have to solve question number 1 and question number 2. One more question I want to solve. Question number 10. 3 by 5 into minus 10. So 3 5 ja 15, 15 plus 3, 18. 18 by 5 into minus 10 upon 1. So 5 1 ja 5 2 ja negative sign, so minus 2. Now only 18 into minus 2 upon 1 into 1. So 18 2 ja minus 36, 1 1 ja 1. So write only minus 36. This is your required answer. So you can solve question number 1 and question number 2. Now I am giving you some questions. So this question number 1, 2, 3. Solve these questions in your copy, then post your answer in comment box of this video. Thank you. And your homework is exercise 2C, question number 7 to last, and exercise 2D, question number 1 and question number 2. Thank you.